Cassie Bell. I am the marketing director for TSAT Accounting Solutions, and I'm here with Brianna Pribble, who is the creative content director for B.A.C.K. We're going to tell you a little bit about what B.A.C.K. is.
So B.A.C.K. is to help the individuals find and achieve their own personal version of financial success, and we do that with free courses on our website and also a Facebook page where you can come and hold yourself accountable with everyone.
Tabitha is the owner of both TSAT Accounting Solutions and B.A.C.K., and she's told us how much that she has a passion to help people, and so B.A.C.K. is kind of the way to be able to help everyone, correct?
Mm-hmm. And it's more about fighting your financial trauma, getting to the root cause of what's causing your money problems, and then starting from there to fix them.